I drive in London 5 days a week, in and out of narrow car parks, little parking spaces. The relationship I have with my car is completely and utterly functional.
My wife and I, we love travelling. We usually cover roughly about 7,000 miles a year. Having a camper van, it gives us the freedom to do a lot of travelling and see a lot of places.
The first time I had reason to use Who Can Fix My Car, I was reversing. I failed to see this wall that sort of came up out of nowhere, and then I heard the most awful grinding, crunching sound.
One morning came out and the van wouldn't start because the starter motor was whining. That sort of job is too big for me. I only do minor repairs on my van.
I googled emergency repairs and Who Can Fix My Car came up. So I posted it online, and literally within about 2 hours, I think I got 3 or 4 quotes back. I was able to look on their websites to see the kind of people they were, to see their reviews.
They were very professional, very friendly, and the rates were very competitive.
Because everybody's posting online, and because they know that you're going to be able to compare costs with everybody else, they don't know that I am this silly, stupid woman who's already done this 3 times this year.
After they got in touch with me, they offered to collect my van and repair it. It was that easy.
After I made a decision to go with Patrick, he came to my home at 8 o'clock in the morning. I handed him over the keys, he picked the car up, and he said, "You'll get the car back by Saturday."
After the repairs, I was quite happy, and I left a review with whocanfixmycar.com.
I wanted to let other people know that this was something that they could trust, so I was very happy to put a review on, and I would urge anybody who has a good experience to do that. It's so useful. It's an easy, uncomplicated experience.